I tell you, sneaky bastard, smash. Sneaky bastard, smash.
That's a really good sign, right? Cars, speed block, communication, they're ready to go.
Alright, so we're going to the line right now. Bill Gamble out of Wisconsin in the left lane in 16 Hellcat. Leon Epling out of Tennessee in the right lane in 16 Hellcat. Clear to burn out, but we're getting ready to do the pre-stage process. Switching code right now, the right car's in. Leon in. Bill Gamble, both cars are pre-staged now. This looks like a little pride on the line, right here. Watch this one, folks. This is good. The 901 in the left and the 903 in the right. You talk about
Alright guys, so some exciting news from this weekend so far. I'm sure I'm going to post again about it here shortly because they just keep breaking the records. But this weekend was the Modern Street Hemi Shootout in St. Louis. It's a series that travels, and it seems like it mostly stays on the east side, but like Midwest to the east. They don't ever come towards us, but whatever, we'll travel to get there. Anyways, I had a feeling a lot of records would be broken, and it's kind of ironic because I just posted a video about the top 10 fastest Hellcats in the world, but I did say that those were mostly from last year and pretty much the fastest guys on that list, and there's a couple new ones. Their cars have been down for a year because they've been trying to build them for this year, and it's just now getting close to fall where the weather's getting cooler, so they're starting to bring those cars out so they can break records. But anyways, first record that was broken, well, the first video you'll see is Bill Gamble, which is an HHP built car. Don't want to give away too many of the specs, not that I know most of them, but it is a turbo 400 transmission car, built motor with a Whipple on it. And if you actually see in my video, he already ran a 9.0, so he was in that top 10 fastest Hellcats in the world, but his car actually, I think it broke. I can't remember what it broke after, but it broke something in that video, like right after that race. And anyways, he got it all dialed in for this race. So him and Leon Epling, which is the fastest Hellcat in the world, they raced, and they both, let's see, Bill went 901, and then Leon Epling went 903, their first pass. So they're just trying to get used to the power. And then Leon Epling went 890, and that was the blower only record. Now, he does have a Kenny Bell, a built motor, and a Liberty built trans, but with that much power, you have to have those parts. And but it was still blower only, so no nitrous assisting the car. He does have nitrous, but they haven't figured out the car where it can get enough traction where they're able to spray quite yet, but they are figuring it out. So that's a Tim Barth tuned car, and Bill Gamble's is an HHP car, so it's tuned by Joshua Schwartz. But yeah, Leon went 890 blower only, and Saturday, which is today when I'm making this vlog, they ran again, and they both got personal best. Leon broke the fastest Hellcat record again because it was 868 before, and he just went 853 at 157 miles an hour, I think. The 853 pass. I think it was 157 miles an hour or 160. He's 007 on the left side.
160?
Yeah. So when Leon went 853, he trapped 160 miles an hour, which is insane for that big of a car. Bill went 870 what? No, back to that first one you were at. 870 what?
879.
879 at 158 miles an hour. So freaking close race. They both were still blower only on those passes. They both have nitrous, but they haven't sprayed it yet, like I said, because they haven't figured out how to get the car to hook up and get it down the track without breaking shit. These cars just make so much power, and for the weight, obviously these cars are lighter than your typical Hellcat because they've done lightning mods, but they're still pretty heavy for the power, so stuff is going to break pretty easily. But yeah, so they both went 8s against each other. So that's the first time two Hellcats have gone 8s down the track at the same time, which is really cool, because everyone that's gone 8s has always been on a different pass than another guy. So it's cool to have two 8-second Hellcats lined up. So I'll post that video so you can see it now. So that was the record-breaking pass right there for Leon Epling, and then again he backed it up with an 851, and this one was at 157 miles an hour. He's cutting 260 foots. It's insane how much he can pull the front wheels, because you got to think a Hellcat, most of their weight is on the front of the car. So for these guys to be picking the wheels up on them is pretty impressive. Plus, you'll see how high Leon actually gets the wheels on this pass. Bill is actually pulling the wheels on his car also, but Leon is lifting the shit out of the wheels on his car. It's insane. So he broke the record again with an 851 pass, and they're still on blower only, and they're still trying to figure out some fueling issues. So I think tonight or tomorrow morning, I don't know if they're running again on Sunday, but oh, bless you. But if they run again, I do believe they'll go lower in the 8s before they even do nitrous, because the car is still not at its full potential with blower only. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I know a lot of you actually don't have Facebook, and a lot of these videos are only posted to the private groups. So it takes a while to get those videos out there. So I wanted you guys to see it first, my subscribers. Like I said, in case you're not on Facebook or Instagram, you haven't seen them yet. So pretty crazy stuff. And here's the craziest part. Oh my gosh, that's blinding. These Hellcats running 8s, it was still 3,000 DA. The DA was freaking 3,000. Imagine in October, November, and they go to ACO where the DA gets in the negatives. These are 7-second cars all day. If they can get them to hook up, these are 7-second cars all day. And finally, people will notice the fat Hellcats. Das boats. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that short little video. I just wanted to update you guys and keep you up to date as quickly as I possibly can with how fast these boats are going. So, hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat for the most up-to-date information on Hellcats. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Pushing heavy on